Okay, yeah. So today our next organelle we are talking about, that is Golgi bodies. As you guys all know, in the previous video we have discussed about the ribosome, which was the organelle in the cytoplasm. Likewise, the Golgi bodies is also the organelle which is found in the cytoplasm. It is found in all the eukaryote cells as well as prokaryotes. It is found in all the eukaryotes cells. Okay, it was first discovered by the Camillo Golgi, which was a Italian biologist in 1898. Okay, so it was named the Golgi apparatus or the Golgi bodies or the Golgi zome, or you can say as a Golgi complex too. Okay, so like endoplasm reticulum, they are also having the cisternae. Like as you guys all know, we have discussed about the cisternae. What is cisternae? Cisternae is basically the sac-like structure. So in endoplasm reticulum, there were like here, some here, some here, some here. But if you talk about the Golgi body cisternae, they are also having the cisternae. They are parallel, like this. In series wise, they are series wise. But if you talk about in the endoplasm reticulum, they were like, you can say that was not parallel. Okay, so this structure is called the cisternae. Okay, cisternae. Okay, as well as in the cisternae, we are having the flattened membrane bound vesicles. We are having the vesicles here. These are the vesicles in the cisternae. These vesicles made the cisternae. Okay, so there is a cisternae we are calling that is a Golgi. We are calling that as a Golgi vesicle. 2. Okay, so as you guys all know, in the endoplasm reticulum, where there were the ribosome in smooth endoplasm reticulum, because smooth endoplasm reticulum was responsible for the protein synthesis, so they were having the ribosome attached with that. But here the Golgi bodies is without ribosome. So it is basically developed from the smooth endoplasm reticulum. It is developed from the smooth endoplasm reticulum. Okay, so if we talk about that, this is basically the Golgi bodies are basically found in all the eukaryote cells. Okay, as well as in prokaryotes sometime, but here the most complex in the, you can say that, in the eukaryote cells. Okay, um it is basically like same in the plant cell and animal cell. If we talk about animal cell is having one Golgi bodies. If we talk about the plant cell, there are many Golgi bodies near the cytoplasm. Okay, and this is what the disc like structure, which is consist of the vesicles. Okay, after that we are having the you can say that we are having you can say that these are sac like structure. Okay, the outermost, this one is the first one, upward one is like that. This is like that. This is this is convex structure. So the upward convex cisternae is called the forming cis, is called cis phase, or you can say as the forming phase. Okay, while the end of this one, this is inner one, that is the concave one. Concave. Okay, we are calling that as a concave cisternae. We are calling that as a maturing phase, as well as like cis phase, like here they are having the trans phase. So here the basically the cisternae break into the vesicles. In maturing, the cisternae basically break into the vesicles, and vesicle make the cisternae, as you guys all know about that. Okay, so if we talk about the, you can say that which is near to the cytoplasm, so the convex is, cis phase is near to the cytoplasm. Okay, after that we are having the, likewise you can say that we are having, this is basically synthesized they basically take the protein from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and after that, basically the Golgi complex collect the protein from the not yeah, from the, you can say that, you can say rough endoplasm reticulum with the help of small endoplasm reticulum. They will take protein, they collect protein which is made from the, you can say, the smooth endoplasm reticulum, and they take this protein from the rough endoplasm reticulum to the smooth endoplasm reticulum. Then they export the product to the vesicles in the form of vesicle, such as the organelle we are having, that is lysosome, peroxisome, glycosome, that we'll be discussing in the next video. These all the, you can say, cell organelles are basically originate from the Golgi bodies. Okay, likewise, the Golgi bodies is also involved in the formation of the, you can say that, the Golgi, not Golgi, but the conjugated molecules. Yeah, conjugated molecules, like we are having the glycoprotein, which is made up of the carbohydrate and protein. We are having lipoprotein, which is lipid plus protein. These are conjugated molecules. So the formation of the conjugated molecules are also occur by the Golgi body. These all are the function that I am talking about. Okay, the most important function of the Golgi bodies is basically the cell secretion. They are basic Golgi bodies are present in the basically the glandular cells. Most of the glandular cells. What is glandular cells? Which means the gland cells which basically secrete out the secretion. Okay, the secreted cells are there. Okay, so for that, the cell secretion basically consists of, that can be protein, that can be hormone, or that can be, you can say, protein, hormone, and many other too. So these all what, these all are the secretion. Okay, so this secretion, or you can say that the Golgi body collect protein from the rough endoplasm reticulum, okay, through the smooth endoplasm reticulum, and they export and or modified in the product of the vesicles. Likewise, we are having the, you can say that, if the, you can say, Golgi bodies in invertebrates or in plants, we, so here there we are having another name of the, you can say, Golgi bodies, that is ductisome. This is also the Golgi body name, but in, if the Golgi body, if the, you can say that the, this is in the invertebrates and plants, so they are having another name of the Golgi body, that is, we are calling that in their cells, we are calling that as a ductisome. Okay, so you can say that there are like many organelles which are originate from the lysosome, peroxisome, like many organelles are there. They are basically developed from the Golgi bodies. Okay, as well as we have discussed it, all the things. Okay, so this was about the, you can say, yeah, one more thing, that basically the Golgi bodies are also responsible for the macromolecules like chitin, cellulose. Okay, so these basically, like they basically, you can say that cellulose, chitin, in the form of the cell plate, are Golgi products. Okay, so there are many polysaccharides that are secreted by the cells, like cellulose, chitin. Okay, so they are considered as the Golgi products too, because they are like, you can say that, macromolecules by itself, and we can say that the chitin to form the cell wall. Okay, and cellulose as a cell plate. So these all what, these are basically the secretion. Okay, secreted by the cells like cellulose. So these are the secretion. Okay, so that we are calling as the Golgi products, because the function of the Golgi bodies is a cell secretion main. So in this video we have discussed about the Golgi bodies as well as function too. The next video we will discuss about the lysosome.